Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to make our own version of red braised spare ribs. But first, go like, subscribe and share my video. Also turn that bell notification on so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload the next video. So all ingredients will be listed in the description box below. And these spare ribs are delicious, juicy, and they are so easy to make. All you need is time. So I have 2 pounds of spare ribs. I did wash them thoroughly. I add some salt. I'm also adding some brown sugar along with some yellow mustard, which tends to tenderize the meat. Alright. Some of my homemade green seasonings, and I will leave the link below for this, along with the link below for this combination of mixed seasonings that I did mix myself. I use this seasoning in almost everything, guys. It's everything, trust me. Alright, so once I make sure I season the meat well, I'm going to now place it into a glass dish, pop a piece of plastic wrap over the dish, and let it sit into the refrigerator overnight. So it's the next day, and it's time to cook my spare ribs. So what I'm going to do is take each piece of spare rib and sap it with a paper towel, making sure I get most of the liquid out from the meat. Sap them, place them onto a tray. And at this time I have a pan with oil over high heat. You want this oil to be extremely hot. Place them into the oil and let them fry until they're brown and nice. Once they're brown, remove them, place them onto a tray and let them sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to refry them, putting them right back into the oil. At this time, the oil is even hotter. I'm going to fry them until they get dark brown in color, and then remove them again from the oil. Now I have a pan over medium heat. I'm going to use some of the same oil used for frying. I have some brown sugar, my combination seasoning, some garlic, ginger, some other spices, and I'm going to place them right into this pan with the oil. Give them a little stir. And once the sugar starts to melt, I'm going to add the spare rib into the pot. And just toss them around a little. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil and some dark soy sauce. I also did burn some sugar so I can make my own little browning. Guys, it's like cooking any other meat stew, alright? It's just that you want everything to come right down so that it would turn like a little sticky kind of meat. I did add some red powdered coloring. Don't judge me, guys. I'm making red braised spare ribs, alright? This is my way. So just toss them around. You can see how beautiful the meat looks. Now I'm going to add 5.5 cups of hot water into this pan, and this is going to help to cook the meat faster. Just make sure you cover the meat with the hot water. Cover the pot and let this cook. Cook until all the water evaporates, and there you can see the goodness in the pot. All the oil, the seasonings are well worked up into here. My kitchen is, oh my goodness, smelling great. This is some great flavor in this meat. So I'm going to turn the heat off and place onto my serving tray. And here you have it, guys. Give this recipe a try. These spare ribs are delicious. They are juicy. They are so easy to make. And if you're a pork lover, then grab this idea for Father's Day. Just bring Father's Day to the next level, all right? Give it a try. Leave me a comment. Let me know how it went down. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.